Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Glambykiki, and for today I have how to highlight like a pro. So I'm gonna teach you guys all my tips and tricks and what products I use and how much products I use. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel so you get notifications of when I do upload, and leave your comments so I can read them and put out more videos for you guys. If you also have questions about the choker that I'm wearing, I will leave the link in the description box below. They are a company on Instagram called Stones by Carlos. If you like these luxurious glitzy looking chokers for an affordable price and all types of styles, you can definitely also use my discount code because I am an affiliate with them. I'll leave the discount code right here, is Glambykiki, and I'll leave all their information down in the description box below, so make sure you check that out before you leave. And let's jump right into this video before I start rambling like I always do. Okay guys, so before I start, before I start highlighting, I am going to be using the Kat Von D Lock-It setting spray just to give my skin a little bit more moisture, so when I lay down the highlight, it is definitely gonna give it more of like a skin-like glow instead of a powdery glow. So this is key to highlight like a pro. So I'm going to spritz my face first and do it as far as possible, just arm's length, so you don't mess up the makeup. And I like to drench my face I like to drench my face with setting spray before putting on some highlight, just so I'm very hydrated and it gives it a smoother, softer application. So once you feel like it's almost dried down, you go in with your choice of highlighter. The ones that I'm going to be using today is the makeup, one of them, because I have a few. I layer my highlights, that's another key. I'm using the MAKEUPFOREVER Pro Fusion, if I'm not mistaken. The Pro Light Fusion in number 2 is broken right now, so I'm trying to, just barely holding on. Is this one right here. And take my Morphe M510 brush, which is the best highlighting brush ever, and I'm gonna take it right on the tops of my cheekbones in circular motions, right from where my eye ends to right below my eyebrow arch, the arch of my eyebrow. And you see how it gives you a nice, soft, subtle glow? Ooh. So now I'm gonna take that on the rest of the face as well. So I like to do circular motions and pressing it in first, just to make sure there's no streakiness. And I like to hold the brush as far as possible from the front of the brush, just because it gives you more control. Because if you have it super close, it's gonna be a streak and you're gonna look like, I don't know, you're gonna look ridiculous. So then I'm gonna take a little bit right on my chin. Whatever I have left on the brush, I go ahead and run it along above my eyebrows like that. So this is my first highlight. This is totally optional for you guys. If you guys just want to stick with one highlight, that's fine, but I'm just extra. So if you're extra like me, you can continue watching this video and see how many layers does it take to look like a glazed donut. Okay, so what I'm gonna go in with is the BECCA Champagne Pop. So I'm literally layering the highlights, so do not be afraid to layer highlights. As long as you have a gentle touch and you're using the right tools, you will be a-okay. Look at that. Yes. So then I'm gonna take it on my chin. I'm gonna take it a little bit above my eyebrows. And then I like to run a little bit, literally down the bridge of my nose with no extra product in it. Just right here. Right here. That looks amazing. So I'm gonna take a little bit too above my Cupid's bow. On my Cupid's bow, not above. Okay, and last but not least, my favorite highlight of all time, BECCA once again, but this is the Light Chaser highlighter. These you can use for the eyes and face, and this is more like a topper highlighter. It looks like it's silver or a silver reflect highlighter, but when you put it on, it's more of like that, like greenish gold. Not greenish, but it's like a green based gold that's really gold, like a yellow gold, greenish yellow gold. I don't know how to describe crap, but yeah, y'all gonna see when I put it on. So I like using this one to top it off. So yes, I use 3 highlighters with the same brush, and then I like to take it on here, top of my cheekbones. So I don't want to put too much on my nose, but I take it literally right there, a little right there, the rest on my chin, and a little bit above the eyebrows. But last but not least, I'm gonna go ahead and do the same same as I did on my face, my cheekbones and all that stuff. Do it under my brows, on my brow bone, and in my inner corner. So I'm going to take the same exact highlighters, but except I'm gonna take it on a smaller detailed brush. This is the Morphe E36 brush, which is amazing for these small areas on the face or eyes. So I'm taking the Makeup Forever, and I'm just gonna run that right into my brow bone. So the key for the highlight underneath the brow is just centering it right underneath the eyebrow arch. That gives it more of a pop. So I focus the product right in the middle, then I just blend out whatever is left across the under the brow. And this is gonna look so nice if you're into highlighting a lot. Then I'm gonna take it right into my inner corner. Which just opens up the eyes a little bit more. Then the next one is going to be Champagne Pop. Of course, you always want to dust off the excess. Yes, look at that. Perfect. Take it right in the inner corners. Beautiful. Last but not least, the Pearls Flashes Gold from BECCA. Put it here first. Right above here. Look how bomb that looks. And once that is done, once you're finished layering 1,000 highlighters, you could go ahead and reset your face just so the powder melts nicely into the skin and the highlights do not look powdery. They look nice and buttery smooth. Then you wait to dry, and this is how you should look. I'm gonna zoom you guys in a little bit just so you can see a little bit close. So this is how you should look. Look like a glazed donut. Can't even speak. Look like a glazed donut. The astronauts could see you. And you're ready to slay the day. Let me zoom you guys back out. But if you guys have any other questions, let me know in the comments down below, and let me know if you like these type of videos on how-tos. If you want more, don't forget to leave your likes and your dislikes. It's okay. Let me know. Let your girl know what it is. Okay?